You don't want a budget? Too much of a hassle? Well, maybe at least use a bank account model for your system that gives you a better control of your finances. More in this video. Tick, 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 toast the botnet. And smash the like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm. Welcome to the Toaster Botnet, where I babble about random things until you either get bored or hit the subscribe button. Today's topic: my personal bank account setup. You can have a better view of your finances by simply using separate accounts. In my opinion, everybody should use a budget, but I understand that's too much of a hassle for a lot of people, and so to automate your finances and have a bird's eye view, you can use an account model to spread your finances across different accounts for different purposes. If you have everything in one account, it's harder to be in control of it all. So this is super simple stuff, so this video is gonna be a short one. Here we go. Checking account. That's where the money comes in, and it's used for bills and utilities, and just for that, nothing else. This way everything is taken care of before you do other stuff with your money. The money gets sent from here to other accounts via autopay, of course, and automatic transactions. Everything here is on autopay. All my bills are paid from this one account. Most of the time I don't touch this account at all. Next up would be reserves. It's kind of a savings account, and this is my emergency buffer and money for stocks and investing. This is for building wealth, retirement savings, not to be touched except in emergencies or if I'm manually buying stocks. Then I have my savings account. This is an account for short-term savings, like if you want to buy something big or saving up for a vacation. There's a fixed amount each month which gets transferred here, and if you need the money to splurge or improve my quality of life, I take it from there. And my consume konto, my consumption. Another checking account, but this time this is only for consumption. This is my true expenses and basic survival. I transfer a fixed amount on here each month and try to live within my means and within my budget. It's for groceries, unnecessary expenses, eating out, subscription services, clothes, you name it, all the small transactions. And as the name suggests, it's just for pure consumption. This is the only account I pay with, everything else is off limits. If you use this account model or something similar, you can look at your account and immediately see what are fixed costs and bills. What do you need for daily living? How are your retirement savings going? And how far along are you with saving for your next vacation? All without a strict budget or much work. I mean, it's probably some work to set it up. I don't know how much work that was, because I have been using this for years and years now, and it served me well, but it's well worth the effort. If everything just goes over one account, you can't possibly keep track of it all unless you use additional software or a paper budget or something. So having a proper account model is a nice middle ground between chaos and proper budgeting. It basically just automatically separates your fixed costs and variable costs and makes sure I'm saving up money. It has served me well. If you don't have a budget, this is the way to go, in my opinion. You don't need to adopt this exactly, it's just an example how you can order your financial life the easy way. Maybe you found some inspiration and maybe you found some value in this video, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like all the things. Like, subscribe, you know, for the algorithm and stuff. See you next time on the Toaster Botnet.